So here in this room we have 3 different works. The International, which is a collage made of different money pieces. They are following the international anthem music score. And also the Holy Bible pocket version, which is composed of bills of $1 bills. In the back there is Talking to God, a video. You can see like people praying, apparently surrounded by a light, like an aura. And then when you keep on watching the video, you can see they are actually watching their phones. And it's a question about the relationship between technology and spirituality. Are they in opposition, or we can live with both of them and keep nurturing our spirituality despite the technology?